In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to select an app you wish to use in this view and launch it. Then open it in the background and access background apps. Now you need to click on an icon of an app available at the top of it. And finally select Open in Pop-up View from this pop-up. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this blue line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well to reshape it or resize it. If you wish to turn your window into a bubble, click on Home button and then hold this bubble to place it wherever you want to. This way you can, for example, click on another app and use this one, overlay the second one. You can also open your window and click on this line at the top to use all of those options. By clicking on this X, you can close your window. By clicking on this arrow over here, you can use your app in full screen view. By clicking on two arrows facing each other, so this icon, you can turn it into a bubble. By clicking on this icon here, you can go from pop-up view to split screen view. So basically you can click on it, select a second app and enjoy using both at once. By clicking on the last button though, this one, you can change placement of all of those buttons. Then it will look like that. You can also close your window by turning it into a bubble again, holding your bubble and dragging it to close section at the bottom. If this close button is red, you need to let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!